Hey guys, how's it going? It is Mr. Crayfish and welcome back to some more device mod development. Today we are working on some more icons because, you know guys, the next update for this device API is the icons update, and if we don't work on it then it's never going to be released and we can't really release anything more. So we're going to be working on this today. Now I do have a couple of things I'm going to show you guys beforehand. One was what we did yesterday, which is we actually created an application. If you weren't there, you missed out on a pretty fun live stream. But we created an application, so I'm going to show you that. And then I'm going to show you guys the text area. I showed this off anyway, but I've been fixing it up. I'm going to do a slight little bit of work on it just at the start of this live stream today. So if you guys are excited for this, make sure you go ahead, snap that like button right in half. And as well, if you guys want to get a shout out at the end of this live stream today, make sure you go ahead and you know what to do. You know what to do. Go to my Twitter profile, retweet the latest tweet that says retweet for a shout out. Then I'm going to shout out your guys' names at the end of this live stream today. Now, I got some food. I was literally making toast just before I started, so I'm gonna quickly go get my toast. I'll be back in a second. If people join, let them know what I'm doing. Just, I don't know, post in the chat. He's getting toast. He's getting toast. I'll be back in a second. Give me 2 seconds. Give me 2 seconds. Cray's gotta eat. Oh hey, I'm back. I got my toast, majestic toast. I gotta eat this, otherwise this ain't gonna be a 2-hour live stream. It's gonna be a 1 hour, because I'm gonna die on the first hour of the live stream. Oh god. The most boringest food ever, toast with just butter. What do you guys put on your toast? What do you guys put on your toast? Like serious talk right now. What do you guys put on your toast? Besides just butter. What do you put on with the butter? Alright, so what I'm going to do quickly is I'm going to show you guys the application we worked on yesterday, because it is actual dope, my dudes. It is actual dope. So we're going to check it out right now. Oh no, it's not that one. Whoops, this one here. So basically we created this kind of light switch app which allows you to remotely turn lights on and off using an application on the laptop. Ham and cheese? Bread. Just put bread on top of your bread as a topping. That's interesting. Oh, alright. Let's get into this. Alright, so here we go. So this is kind of like our little test area that we had going here. Hold on, give me 2 secs. Boom. The tingles. Skia. So this is our little test area here. So we've got 2 lights. We got one here, and then we've also got one inside of this house here. We're going to go onto the laptop here. Now this one is named bedroom, and this one inside here is named house. And if we actually go onto here and we just turn on our laps through there, you'll see we've got another application called light switch. You'll see that we've got those 2 lights in this list here, so house and bedroom. So we can actually turn them on and off. Right now they are on. As you can see, it's got green, and that's green. So if it goes to red, it's off. Turn them off, red, it's off. And as you can see, those 2 lights are now off. We can turn them back on. Just press that, and they're back on. And then probably one of the coolest things is you can actually set the light level. So if we go ahead and we go into here, right, we'll select bedroom. That's the one that's on the tree there. We're going to take it down halfway, the light level to halfway here. And as you can see, it's not as bright. Might have been hard to notice there because we came from like a bright GUI, but as you can see, that's really super duper bright right now. Get a mental image of that right now, and then let's go ahead. Let's get this and go to bedroom, turn down that halfway, and have a look at it now. So there is a little bit of light coming off of it. If you can tell, because if we actually go ahead, turn house off here, you'll see that it is kind of lit up around this tree here. It's lit up a little bit around this tree here. But what do you guys think of that? Is that a dope? Is that cool? That's cool. Rate it out of 10. I need your ratings out of 10. Cheese and crackers out of 10. But yeah, no, it was like a little simple app. You know, we created like within like I think it was like 3 hours. But yeah, you should definitely check out the live stream from yesterday if you want to see kind of the whole process of developing that. It's interesting. It is interesting. We're going to head back into the main project here. 10.9.9 out of 10. Skia out of 10. Mm-mm-mm. 10 out of 10. Someone actually did it legitly. 10 out of 10. They didn't do it 11 out of 10. They did 10 out of 10. Alright. So, I'm just going to quickly fix up something on here. I'm hoping that it's not too difficult to fix up. But basically, I need to handle a certain case for a backspace. Now, I did kind of... oh no, I did like it wrong. I did it like wrong. If active line, what? Oh no, cursor to Y, cursor Y plus 1. I don't know. I don't know what's going on here. Alright. I'll show you guys the bug. I'll show you guys the bug. This is my jam. This is my jam. Just brings out a jar of jam. But it's like a, it's not like a, don't worry. I don't know what I'm talking about. Alright, so this is what it is. So this is the bug that I'm having. So, hold up, turn caps lock off so I don't look like a noob. But if we put debug mode on here, right, and we go like that, and we do that, right, so here's the bug. So you might be a little bit confused, but these kind of squares at the end here are new line characters are new line characters. So they kind of indicate, you know, that this is a new line. It's kind of like a hidden character that the kind of user doesn't see. So that's why when you turn debug mode off, you don't see it. But in reality, it is actually there. But the bug is that when I backspace from this line, right, it gets rid of the line, but it also gets rid of this new line here. And the problem is that there should be a new line character here, because you'll see in a second. Okay, what the? Hold up. Oh no, hold up. It's not for that. It's for when we do wrapped text, and then we do that. As you can see, it got rid of it when that should still be there. So I gotta fix that up. I gotta fix that up. I'm just trying to think where it actually does it. Does it do it here? Or where does it actually do it? Because what is cursor Y? I know cursor Y would be wrap text, move cursor left, previous line, get line, lines.set cursor Y, substring. Okay. Alright, maybe get rid of that. Do this. Right. Get rid of that. I think that might fix it up. Oh, wow. I forgot to turn off Minecraft, so you didn't even see the code. Hey Cray, I have a request for you. Could you add commands there so that players could access commands even they're not OP? No. I'm not making a backdoor so people can run commands. I don't think server owners would be happy with that. If that anybody could run commands. Alright, so this is why... Oh no, hold up, that's fine. That's correct behavior. Alright, test this. Hey! Alright. So I think that works. Let's test this instance. Alright. So this is why I might have done it. Alright, so if I do... Hold up. If I do that there and then a backspace. Oh yeah, works perfectly. Oh yeah, works perfectly. That's how I want it to work. Yeah, it's not 1 PM. It's not 1 PM here. It is not 1 PM. For the fun of it, I should make it my actual time. Just for the live streams. Alright. I think that's like... I think I've like finished it. I think I've finished text areas. I didn't think I would ever finish it in my lifetime. But I did. Still waiting on that Pixel phone as well. I've only got the case. It's funny. Sent out the case before I even got the phone. Alright, so that's everything. That's gonna end off this live stream today. Joking. Just wanted to see how if you guys would react. You're like, what the flip? Whoa. Alright, I'm putting this somewhere else. Hold up. I just had to move that plate. I like knocked it. Because I shook the table. Big shook. Yeah. Alright, working perfectly. What the hell's on my hair? What the flip is going on? Might have to have a shower. Oh yeah, what I was gonna not make this a 2-hour live stream today just because I wanted to have a shower and I don't want to be up too late having a shower. So, but yeah, that's the text area. So this is gonna only be like maybe only like an hour and 15-minute live stream. So an hour from now I'll be ending the live stream off. I lost count of the big shark, sadly. Started again! Big shark! Yeah. That's one onto the list. That is one onto the list. Alright, so new and improved text areas. They work absolutely beautiful. Now this is not wrap text, but you can convert it to wrap text. Boom. And then you'd be like, oh. Woo. Yes. That is not supposed to happen. That, my friends, is not supposed to happen. What the flip is going on? There should never be characters after that special character. Handle return. Alright, so I'll get you guys this up here. Actually, what we can do... Hold on, what I'm gonna do is actually... Hold on, heck, how do I... I want to duplicate... Ah! What the flip? Alright, let me just turn it off. Alright, there we go. So the problem is that cursor X, right, isn't the length, it's -1 of the length. So lines to set, that's right, then set that. Let's get rid of that. Move cursor right one. That'd be better. Don't know why I'm doing it that way. Alright. Get rid of that. Boom, boom. I think that's why I did move down. Move cursor down. So 0. But why doesn't it? Oh. Maybe, do this, right? Instead of move cursor down, oh, still keep it, sorry. Do this, cursor X equals 0. Same kind of stuff. Alright. Ugh! It's not doing it right. Whoopsie, that wasn't that. Move. Alright, so that should move it down and then set the X. Didn't do it. What's it doing wrong then? Cursor Y plus 1. Move cursor Y. Yeah, I'm confused. It should be move cursor right 1. That should be it. Hold up. Need this on. Why doesn't it do it? Oh, maybe something to do with this. Yeah, I can see why. It's not doing this. Oh god, that's confusing. How do I fix that up? Whoops. Because... oh no, if so if it's the length, right? Oh, it's confusing. Alright, whatever. We're not going to do this now. We're going to switch over to the core branch. We're going to go ahead and copy that source code real quickly. Hold up, guys. GitHub. Alright, there we go. Alright, discard changes, switch back to the core branch, and boom, there we go. We're gonna go open external editor to close this off. That's all Gucci. Alright. And here we go. Now, someone said they didn't like the yellow icons. Someone said they didn't like the yellow icons. And it's still like... It's not something I'm still 100% happy with. Specifically, these yellow icons. So, like this one, this one, this one. I'll show you guys. I'll do this right. If I put gray in the background here. If I put gray in the background here, it makes everything show up a little bit easier. Makes everything show up a little bit easier. But as you can see, we got yellow in these icons here. And someone said they didn't like it. Someone said they didn't like it. I thought it looked fine. But someone said they didn't look good. I think these icons that we did were dope. This like coin, money, this verified. I like the book. I think the book is cool. We got like film, camera, light off, light on. Flip it, light off. Flip the switch, light on. We got a location thing with a send. So we got a bunch of them that we're creating today. The biggest challenge in the world, focus on the live stream. Cray, how do you think about Stranger Things? I loved it. I watched season 2 like in a day, so I'm a pretty big fan if you ask me, and a dope thing as well. A dope thing as well in well, happening here soon. I'm not sure. I think it's like next weekend. We have this convention called Supernova, and Millie Bobby Brown is actually going to be there. And yeah, I'm going to get a photo. It's going to be dope! I'm actually quite excited, I'm not going to lie. I am pretty excited for it. Like, to me, like, to be like a massive fan of Stranger Things, and then like, suddenly Millie Bobby Brown's going to be at this convention, which is insane, because there's only 2 locations in Australia that she's going to, and I happen to be here and one other. Like, where I live, not a lot of stuff happens, so pretty lucky for her to actually be coming to my city. England is my city. Not really England. I don't live in England, but England is my city. Alright, so I'm just getting up my list of icons here. Let's go to icons txt. Alright, dope, there we go. So you guys can see a list of all the things that we've still actually got to do. Now, I did this one already. What else have we done? I think we've done a log out, log in one already. But I feel like a log in, log out one would be like one of these icons with an arrow. So we might actually like copy one of these. Oops. Copy another one. And let's go ahead, let's grab the green here. Hopefully I can do it in this little area here. Because it's quite small. It's a quite small area that we've got to work with here. Oh my god. Does that look good from... Oh, it looks horrible. What the flip? What the flip? My grandparents. My cat. Could have drawn a better logo, Cray. The thing is, I can't do a lot. Otherwise, it like... Otherwise, say goodbye to Arrow. You get me? You get me, blood. Alright, does that look good? I don't know. It's very hard to... I don't know, it blends in a lot. I'll say that right now. It blends in a lot. You know, man blends in a lot. When I type in Cray, the autocorrect is Crew. Of course, that's secretly my real name. Secretly my real name. Lego. I don't know, it's hard to see it. What happens if I do the other one? Alright, it's hard. It's very hard to draw that arrow. It's not a good spot either. Hold up. There's trash. Oops. Paste. Do this again. I feel like it could be better, you know? I feel like it could be better. I've seen better done by a 2-year-old, if you ask me. Merge layers. Maybe offset it. I don't know. No, it should be in the center, hey. But then again, right? Yeah, maybe that will work a bit better. Alright, let's grab that. Well, this one's gonna be the green one. And really... the problem is that blends in too much with this. See, like... if it was like that, you can see it a lot better. You know what I should have done? Is, hold up, let's get rid of this. I'm doing it again. We're doing it again. Haters gotta hate. Haters gotta potato. When are you gonna upload the video on the main channel? You said last month, you said soon. Last month you said soon. Now you keep saying soon. When are you gonna upload on? Hey, what's up, Gamer Georgia? Welcome to the live stream. I see you there with your derpy crayfish icon. If no one spots that derpy crayfish icon, something is wrong with it, because that thing stands out like a derpy crayfish. Let's go new layer. Alright. I know I'm doing like the same thing again, but trust me. Trust me on this one. Paint that in, and then that there. Alright, now I can actually move this around. So we could like put it there, right? And then here. Move that to the left. Looks good. And then what we're gonna do for this is do the same. Alright. But with red. Red. Spell red. Do you guys know how to spell red? Spell red. L-S-T-E-R. That's not how you spell it. That should be up like that. Alright, there we go. So it's like log out, log in. That works. Pink, yellow. What? The light green on top looks like it blends in with the blue. I can't change it. These are the colors. I've already made it blue up here. It's too late now. Whoa, whoopsie, no. Spotify was open. Sorry. Sorry, rip headphone users. What we can do, because tons of you guys aren't happy with it, ew, oh god, that hurt me. Haters gonna hate. Or we just secretly make that a little bit darker. Whoops. Hold up. Secretly made it a little bit darker. You can see it now. You can see it now. Alright, let's pop them onto the list. We have send, then we have log. Log in. Log out. They're kind of like one word. Log in, log out. So I've done that. Unknown. I want to change around, where is it? Help here, right? Should be info. Because I want to have like a question mark version of this. Uh-oh. So we're gonna copy that. The icons are all over the place. It's crazy. Alright, zoom that in. Whoa, that is zoomed in a lot. Wherever I follow, you'll be to my holy grail. I've been playing a lot of Call of Duty World War II, and I'm doing pretty good. I think my highest score yet was like 28 kills for 12 deaths, I think. I can't remember. I took a picture of it, but I didn't save it. It was on Snapchat. So, yeah, I did pretty good. If you ask me. So I made a program, write it inside your device mod at Reddit. Yeah, I already know. I know who did that. Yeah, it's gonna be blue, right? Copy that. Yes, I can copy it. Please let me copy it. So I think we have to put it there. Okay, hold up. Because I need it at least to go like... This is a very difficult asset. Ah! Oh god, no. That's my eyes. My eyes cannot cope with that. What's wrong with it? Question mark is very difficult. What is wrong with it? It needs to have a gap, 100%. Starting to look a little bit better. Maybe like that. Oh, that's not bad. Possible to get away with this. It looks out of place when I design it like that. Needs to be like consistent with the rest of the design. It's a difficult one to do. What do you guys think? They look good or what? Do they look good or does it need improving? Just trying to Trying to get an idea here. Trying to get an idea here, if you know what I mean. Haven't seen you in seasons. I haven't. That's all I hear. I need to stop eating or I'll... Okay. I'm not gonna read the rest out of that. I'm drinking cup of Java. Cup of Java. That's what I need. Not really. It's a bit late for a cup of Java, but might have like a cup of Milo or something like that. I don't know, what do you guys think of that icon? What's wrong with it? If you guys have any suggestions, let me know. See if people have been posting anything. Nope. I've already added in a printer icon. We should add in a cup of coffee icon. Should we do a cup of coffee icon? What do you guys think of that? I don't know if I like it. Pixel. Let's have a look. Pixel question mark. Alright, let's try something like this. Because I think what makes it look weird is the fact that I do like corners. But then like that does not look right at all. You get me? I think that this needs to come out one more maybe. Ew. But now it's not even. It's not even Steven. Ah! Help me! Help me help you! I don't know how to do this. Doesn't look right like that. Hey. To see you again. My eyes! Load icon. Java icon. A cup of coffee icon. The low is, I don't know. Make Java. My eyes icon. Ah! No, it looks so weird. Why? Why do you gotta be difficult? No one asked you to be difficult. You leave me stronger. Let's see, what if I type in help icon? Yeah, I can't do like the question mark inside of it. Uh-oh. Because we're dealing with such a small... There's one derpy question mark. You guys don't like my skills. I know it's actually bad. Ah! Now that one hurt my eyes. Oh god. Never do that again. I already done this. Remember. It just doesn't work. It does not work on this. Whoa, oh. Oh, what? Ah! Why? That's a very difficult icon. Alright, scrapping it. Cause I can't flip and do it. Alright, what do we got now? Offline, online. Offline icon. It's like we've already got that, kind of. Yeah, we've kind of got offline. And offline icon's like just no Wi-Fi. And then online is when the Wi-Fi is actually on. Oh yeah, we're gonna add in a heart. We'll do that in a second. Or we'll do it down here actually. A heart icon, so maybe let's base it off Minecraft or even use Minecraft's. I'm just getting the actual assets. Textures, GUI, icons. Open with Photoshop. Wonder what the size of them are. 8. Seven by 7. I just want to be able to copy the colors. Just want to be able to copy the colors. Or we use our own colors. Because we can do that, right? That is not a heart. That is not a heart. That is something else. Let's get rid of that. That's better. Hold on, one more thing. We're also gonna shade it. Oh no. Like that. And then perfect. Yeah. Does that look good or not? No. Loses a lot of its shape like that. We might even make it those colors, to be honest, just because like they are brighter. And then we'll do like a brighter version of that to put up here. And then we're simply gonna have like an off version. Whoops. Merge layers. There we go. And then the last one. So it's like the off version of it. An off and an on version. How's this for a question mark? Like it just a bit of help. Oh wow. That does work. Let me try it out. I can see the inspiration for it too. Ah! Don't you wanna feel? Alright, there we go. Let's have a look. Alright, so we're gonna do now this is a suggestion here. Let's see what it actually looks like. Alright, get rid of this. Where was it? So basically we have this down here. Okay, stop dwelling on empty words. Alright. So it's kind of like that, right? Boom, boom, boom. Which works. Hold up, what we're gonna do. Bring these down here. Because when they're next to each other, they kind of look good. And now if I go ahead and bring that down next to it. Yeah. What do you guys think? Hold up, maybe I know. Instead put that there. Doesn't look too bad, and then we can have that there. Oh yeah, what the flip? That looks sick! I fixed it. Cray is a genius. I mean, no. Thank you, Darbus, for the help there. And then my shading finally fixed it up. They are rate that out of 10 right now. That looks flippin' good. That looks flippin' good. Alright. Where'd those come from? Paint the sky. Alright, what's that? Alright, delete you. Don't worry, I didn't delete them. You make me move. Why is there white dots there? I did it. I did it. It looks good. Looks like a circle CX. Happen time. Nah. Let's not do too much shine. Because of you. Yeah, no, whatever. Just one little shine particle. It's fine. Yep, yep. It make me move. Just rocking in my chair. I'm doing it with my belly now. Alright, what do we got left to do? So that was heart on. Heart on. Flip it. Heart off. Heart on. Flip it. Heart off. Brightness icon. Brightness icon. Ooh, we haven't done this yet. Maybe hopefully we can do it. Oh no. Heart on fire. This sounds weird. Because now it needs like... Ah! What am I doing with my life? It's just that this needs to look bigger. That's all. What is that? What is that? No. What did I do? My eyes out of 10. What is that? What is that? Can someone explain that with physics? What that is? Ah! Maybe I just did it wrong. Oh no, I did that. Ah! Alright, there we go. Oh god. Garbage mate, you need help, sweetie. How do I do a flippin' brightness icon? It should be like this, right? Kind of like halfway. Oh, jeez. A brightness icon is very difficult. What else have we got here that I can do quickly? Poop icon, hourglass, minus. Still haven't done that minus icon. Hold up. Map. A map icon. Oh. Are we live? Are we live? Are we live? Stream dropped up for a sec there. Yeah, I don't know what happened with my internet. It just dropped out randomly. Or OBS dropped out randomly. That's the first time that's ever happened. It's the first time that's ever happened. My cat icon. Oh god, let's get rid of this before people's eyes burn. Get away from here. We need a map icon. I'm just gonna inspired here by maps. Maps icon. And then, is it possible to do a very small version? Maps icon. RIP. I don't get why it has that sound at the end of that. Someone can explain why that song has that weird sound at the end. That'd be nice. Maps icon. That's my map icon. Inspired from an icon I see on Google. Just curious if I should do like a border like this. No. Calculator icon. I think we should take a look at what these icons look like so far in the game. So we got log in, log out, help, heart, off, on, heart off, flip it, heart on, and then map, map. Minecraft map icon. So we might make it look like Minecraft's map. I never forgot this day. Alright, let's take a look what these icons look like. Who's excited for this? Let me know if you're excited by hitting that like button. You're gonna snap it right now. Boom! The tingles. Boom, boom, boom. That's what the sound should make when you snap the like button in half. Skia! That's what it should sound like. Ah! Let's go true. Let's have a look. Air brightness. Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah, that was kind of what I was actually thinking myself. I was trying to think that. Oh no, we didn't save this. Whoops. Let's implement that brightness one real quickly. Because it's literally like this here. Yoink. Right. I could stay in, maybe. Ah! I don't know if we do it yellow. Maybe just the gray. I don't know what color to do it. I think it has to be a white. In my professional opinion. Like that, yeah. So that works. It's kind of like a brightness icon. And then merge, delete, save, reload the game. That's a bit personal, Harry. What? Oh god, now this. Let's get 500 likes. Yeah, mate, trying to take all the glory. Hey! I was gonna do that, but you got the idea before me. No, I had the idea before you, then you showed me. I ain't stealing ideas. I'm not like that. I didn't steal ideas. I'm an honest crayfish. Alright, what we need to do. Oops. Eh. Play. Ah! What happened? Yeah. Eh. Alright, hold up. We need another laptop. Ah! Alright, it's always gonna return false. Hold up. Show your applications, damn it! Alright, we're gonna start. Hurricane. I'm gonna get some 5 AM breakfast. That sounds like a good idea if I did. Why does it not want to load? Oh, whoopsie, no. Get rid of that one. Alright, now we gotta reload. Hold up. Come on. Where did I learn Loran Java? Where did I learn Java? Self-taught, practice. Not that difficult. I don't know, YouTube. Look at YouTube. Look up Google. Be like Java tutorial. There's so much content on any sort of programming language on the internet. Alright, there we go. Icons. Boom! Oh god, it's going off. The icons are going off the screen right here. That is, that's taking it to new heights there. That is taking it to new heights right there, my friends. They're going off the screen now. I don't think we can even make this bigger. Alright, hold up. We might have to make it bigger sideways. So these are 10 plus 14. 10 plus 14 plus 2 is 16. So another 16 onto here. So it's gonna be 18. What the? Weird behavior going on there. What happens? This is weird, actually. Whoa, that is interesting. I'm just curious to how the code behaves. when I do like a different value. What happens if I do like 2? Ugh! Oh god, that was that's weird. That was weird, my dudes. If I do 1. Oh wow. Alright, it's gonna be 18 too. Oh no. 17. Apparently. $16. How did I fix this? Because that should mean... I know why. This is going to be 18, definitely. We actually need to restart the game. Looks better, what? Make the windows resizable? It's not possible. It's possible, but not possible with this system. Because everything is a relative position. Relative does not equal responsive. Need like 31. Hold up, let's do it again. Actually, 32. You should add an icon for all those icons. Like a sunshine is the night. Fill me up with a flea. Lift me up. They're not bad. They're not bad. Which is your favorite one out of these new icons here? So we got login, log out, question mark, heart off, heart on, and map. Map looks pretty cool. I like it. I like it. Maybe I'll change the blue around to actually to the cyan instead. Because I might stand out more. The heart and the map I like. Someone's like, I like the Wi-Fi low one. I like the Wi-Fi low. We didn't create that today. We did not create that today. I don't know what you're talking about. We didn't create the Wi-Fi low today. We created these ones. Still, the Wi-Fi low is bay. Wi-Fi low is bay. If you don't agree with me, then you're Wi-Fi high. If you don't agree with me, you're Wi-Fi high. So be careful there. Be careful there, I tell you right now. My favorite one is question mark because I want to type one now, question mark. Map. Map. Let's reload the icons. And then let's boom, boom, boom. Oh yeah, it works. Maybe not as blue as that. Like that blue might be a bit better. Oh, I forgot the brightness. Whoops. Hold up. Who did not tell me? How do you reload? Make icon. What would be an icon? An icon. Icon for icon. It would be multiple icons would be an icon. An icon they said. Bum 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 bum. Will you ever make flag icons like country flags? Maybe if somebody wants to do it, cause there's like a lot of countries. There's a lot of countries. But yeah, they're pretty cool. I like them. There's too many flags to do. I'll do like 2 flags. Australia and Australia. That's it. Australia and the US. Pixel flags. Oh wow. Actually, oh no, they're definitely way too big. I would have to look into it. I found like an asset here with a ton of flags on it, but I would only do kind of main countries. I'm not doing every single country in the world. I'd only be doing, you know, like USA, the UK, Australia, New Zealand, I think is a main country. Maybe like South Africa, I don't know. Germany. So, yeah. Oh, I know. They're looking dope. I love them. I love all the icons. I think they really fit into it really well. I'm thinking out loud for the crowd. Leave it in. I'm at school right now. But yeah, there we go. Kill. I still want to do... Oh no, I think somebody suggested... Let's have a look. Yeah, what we're going to do quickly. Boom. Skier. Overtime. No, not really. Where is it? Ah, here it is. Make that yellow. That might be a better icon for renaming. Is that the right one? Okay, hold up. Might even do this, right? You know. Is it possible to... Bam. Or just on the side like that. Whoops. It's hard to see it. Let's have a look at that looks like. No, 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 no. I mean, the yellow can work. Do you live in Canada, Cray? No. I'm not Canadian. Looks a little bit better. And the same with like in here, right? Suits it a little bit better, I would say. Suits it a little bit better. If you guys, I'm not sure if you guys saw this change, but if you actually hover like on something, right, it doesn't come up with the pop-up, the tooltip straight away now. So I actually have to hover on it for a second for it to actually show up, which is good. Because now it actually makes a bit more sense. But yeah, there we go. Let's go ahead, let's commit those changes. Added more. Like literally my whole thing's be like added more icons. Added more icons. Added more icons. Commit. Boom. There you go. You guys can go download this. I mean, you can update your repositories if you've got a copy of this and check it out for yourself. 2 hours have passed of the stream. No, it hasn't. I know it hasn't. I started at 9 o'clock. It's only been an hour and a half. But yeah, that is actually going to end off this live stream today. I said I wasn't doing a full 2-hour live stream at the start of this live stream. But we're going to go ahead and do retweets now. So I'm heading over to Twitter. My retweets, we got Blowbens, Game Builder 101, Austin TV, Thomas Regarkus. I always don't know how to say it now. I'm just going to call you Thomas from now. Zoram, yeah. Kilraz, Samuel O'Sharp, Little Ivy Gaming, and Fabi50. I think that's how you say it. Thank you guys for the retweets there over on Twitter. Truly appreciate the support from you guys. But yeah, it's going to end the live stream. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you haven't already, make sure you go and snap that like button right in half. And I'm going to see you guys later. Probably tomorrow as well. Probably tomorrow. But yeah, bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you later, guys. That was an awkward...